Hi, friend. I made this to you. This is my interpretation and understanding of this gene key adapted from Richard Rudd's definition of the acidic frequency in the book Gene Keys. Your true home is not located within your body, nor is there somewhere in the universe a single center through which everything is orchestrated. The center you are looking for, that feels like home, is the feeling of love itself that resides everywhere and manifests as our eternal state of innocence. Richard Rudd. We are currently on the cutting edge of consciousness shifting. This shift will return us to innocence, our true nature. We are set to collectively experience this soon. As explained by Richard, life is innocent. We are life. So therefore, we are innocent, making this the equation for the next millennium. All acidic frequencies require us to go beyond the mind and into the heart. We are currently a brain-centered society. The current human at the collective level of consciousness is around 200, when the scale goes up to 1,000. Einstein has said, God doesn't play dice, and the collective is not currently in the position to grasp insights as profound as these, as they must be discovered beyond the mind and in the heart. The mind has allowed us to have the illusion that we can control life when this is a lie created by the brain. Because of this, there is an innate distrust of life, resulting in the belief without control there would be chaos, when in reality, we truly do not know. A brain-centered species controls life, thus diminishing the innate drive for play. The need to find God is then required to satisfy the terrifying possibility of no one or no thing being in control. This inherent distrust of life is what has created money, government, religion, education, police, and the army as the means to control what the mind perceives as chaos. The chaos can be deeply trusted and revered. We only fear it because we do not know our innocence. Play is natural, an organic process that is meant to be used in and with chaos. The frequency of innocence is play, as consciousness was never designed to grow up. As Richard describes, humanity is both an instrument and experiment for life, and the core tenet to existence is play. No barriers, no laws, and no work, just innocent play. Evolution cannot go backwards, it only knows progress. While humanity is afraid to lose its own uniqueness, it is by giving up our individual identity, we actually create another greater individual identity that is both collective and individual at the same time. While the mind-centered nature of humanity would resist this, the heart-centered acidic frequency finds play as an expression of genius. Genius always finds a new solution to the challenges it meets along the way. And the main challenge humanity is currently experiencing is the evolutionary process towards collective and celestial harmony, our final destiny. This is the scale of the human experiment we are all taking on, and in the acidic frequency we are able to do so from innocent play. We will look back at this time and wonder how we were so serious, and may, in fact, become completely laughable as to how serious we were. Life connected to cosmic consciousness will soon come pouring into the world, and what this will be like is beyond the imagination of the mind-centered human. This consciousness for the future children will result in them never growing up or becoming serious. Their awareness will function in an entirely new and different way. This will allow humanity to explore, play, and experiment forever, all because we return to our own nature of innocence. Yet we cannot experience the profound wonder of this while living on the sidelines, only playing part of life. To believe we are only a part of life is an aspect of our humanity that is gravely misguided. We are called to be masters of living life, masters of play, and to a child, play is absolutely serious and something to be mastered. Their toy is the center of their universe, just as our individual lives become the center of our universe that we take seriously. We are innocently unaware of the magnitude of our great good fortune that is to be alive at this time, playing out this epic exploration of consciousness with all of its toys in the world of form. Humanity is changing from within, as life always has and always will, and the future generation will have a brain like that of none other, and one that is one with the environment itself. It will exist inside every human being, creature, plant, stone, and star. Life is always spontaneously discovered in its innocence, and that is the easiest way to keep evolving. We are all really eternal children, children of the cosmos. And our only real job is to let go of our seriousness and find the delight in all that life places before us on the path of complete embodiment of the feeling of love and unity that lies in between all things.